Good morning, everybody. I have recorded a video about how to install the electrical tailgate for LC300, but that video is for VX and GXR. Today I'm going to show you how to install the electrical gate for GXL, or GX or GXR.
Here's the parts inside the kit. This is the control box with already the harness already installed. That's another harness. That's the front push switch button in the driver dash. This is the door handle switch button on the tailgate. And this is the power supply for the VX. The GX and the GXL has a little bit of difference. I will show you later in another video, but the main installation is the same. Here's the electrical latch. That's a 4 bracket. For the struts, that's 2 struts, one left, one right. Okay, let's start.
Okay, the first step is to peel off the panels. Let's start. You do not need to remove this panel, just put it back. And now let's remove this panel. This panel, there's two clips, and there's clips here. We use a very strong, long flat screwdriver, and like this. Pry it a little bit, and then pull it. And also this thing, here's a clip. Here's a screwdriver. Yeah. This panel. Next step is we replace these 2 struts. Before we replace 2 struts, there's a very important thing. You need to use somebody to hold this tailgate, or use a ladder to support this tailgate, or anything else to prevent this tailgate falling down. This kit is very heavy, so when it fell down, it will hurt somebody else. So for me, I'm using this stick to hold it. Now let's move it. Now we install this bracket. Please note that's to the up arm. This is for the lower arm. Please note this is right. This is left. This is left. This is right. So the right is this side. The left is this side. And because there's a glues on these screws, so I would stretch still to the WD-40 to make it easier. The screen. You see this direction? Do not install in wrong direction. You see this one going towards down. Same to the right, this thing towards down. Our next step is we clip in the struts. The struts has a here there's a right. Here's the right means this side. This is the left side. The left side, left, and this side. This stick. Okay, the next step is we remove this latch. We keep these 3 screws. So we take this latch, we press this locking tab and remove this one. And this is our latch. There's 3 white screws we already removed. If you need to remove it by yourself. And now we install everything. That's one very important thing you need to double check. This is the latch. This is the locked position. This latch is locked, but it should be unlocked because the tailgate is not open. So there's a menu switch. This thing, you just push it. You see, the thing is unlocked. So we do it again. This is unlocked. You press. You make sure this is in unlocked position. Okay. The next step is we cut this rubber. So we peel it off. And we cut this rubber. Use a snipper. And also this side. And then we run. You can use insulation tape to to wrap this strut harness to this very long cable tie, and then run through this hole. run through this hole. We will go through here. Harness will go through here. So we run through it. It will be very easy. And pull it. And use something to push this back. Push this one. Just push it very, very hard. Push it very, very hard. And also this side. Go through this hole. And push this in. If you think this is too hard to push this cover back, you can trim it a little bit. Okay, we finish that one. We remove the insulation tape. And remove this wrap. We just snip carefully, very carefully. Right. This one. And also remove this side. Do the same thing on this side. Remove this wrap as well. Now we in the control box there's two plug, wire hosing plug. We take it out and we push it back. So on the top bottom, this is a thick red. You push it back, you will hear click, and there's a thick red. You will click, and a red as well. A red, you click, and yellow, click, orange. If you cannot hear click, you can use a screwdriver to help a little bit. Click, black, click. Yeah, everything's firm. You must hear the click. If you cannot hear the click, must something wrong. Okay, we do the same thing on this side as well. Thick red, thick black. On the top two, there's a thick red, thick black. If you cannot push, use a screwdriver to help a little bit. And also here's the thin red, and the yellow one.
and the orange one, and the black one. Let's hear the clip. Now we're going to install our control box. Next step is going to install the control box. Here we use this lock tape facing down, and we plug this two cable harness and the strut harness going back that thing, and we place like this. That's two cable tie. With cable tie. Please see this one is, we leave this one empty, unplugged, nothing going to this plug. Now we cable tie this control box. A little bit. Yeah. Now if you are not high enough, you can gently pull down the gate a little bit. And then this one, clip, latch. Then the red one, oh no, sorry, the white one, clip. That's the one. You must see there's a little bit tape, and then push back, and then you go this side. You took off this black and put piggyback harness. We just remove this to let the cable run smaller, and push back, and then plug in piggyback harness. And there's a earth wire. Yeah, any empty hole, but you must hear a clip and firmly. The most part of the installation is the same. So for the GX is the same. We replace the bracket inside the kit and install the strut, and we run the strut harness from this hole and go to here and go here, and then go to the control module. We replace the latch. And this is a dual ID. We plug the harness into here. Here there's a black plug for the piggyback harness. So we connect to the module. This is our door handle switch for the tailgate. So this part is the same to the VX. So now I showed what's the difference. Difference is this part. We have to run a power cable, go to the front, and get the power there. Okay, let's start. Here you will see the blue plug. The blue plug. We press locking tab and pull it out. And also here there's a black plug. The black plug is the same here. It will feel the locking tab. You press locking tab and take it out. Here there's a needle thing. We pry it out for this locking tab here, and we found this thick red wire, and then we pull it out. and press this locking tab down, press down. Then we find this cable. This cable is the power cable for our GX or GXL. And then we press this locking tab and take it out, pry it out, this locking tab. But there's one very, very important thing. You need to make sure there's two holes. The one hole is empty. You need to make sure this one is go into this way, not go to this side, because this side is empty. You cannot deliver the power. So you just push and you will hear a clip, and you press down. If you cannot press down, there's something wrong. You need to push, and then you clip, and you push the black back. And we like our VX and VXL, we install this blue plug, and also this plug is for our dual LED light. We click, and then for this plug, so we same and the VXR, this blue plug, we plug it into the blue plug. After we connect the power cable and the signal cable, the two cable, we run this two cable go to the front driver side, and we run the cable through behind this panel, and go here and go here, and come here. We run the behind this panel, like this, behind this panel, and we pick up a signal from B pilot from this plug, same to a VX, and we go front. We run the cable through here and here. We install our dash button here or here. Okay, let's do it. Okay, first of all, we remove this panel. This. Remove this panel. One. And also there's this one. We just and then remove this one. Then remove this panel. This panel from here. Quit. Easy. This panel you need a little bit hard, like this side. Like this. Easy. And you press the locking tab to remove all the plugs. Yeah. If this cable is too long, we do not need to move everything. Then we move this seat to the front here, and connect it here. Then we go to the second row. Then we go to the second row. It's the same. We remove this one, and we remove this panel like this, and here do like this. Sometimes you can do it like this. It's easier. Now we go to the back. We come to the boot and run this cable. Maybe use some cable tie to tie the cable a little bit, and then we run this cable behind this panel, and then behind this panel. We go to this side. We go to the second row. We go to the second row. We run a cable like this. Cable like this. This. And through here. Now we go to the B pilot, and we use a flat screwdriver and press here, press down, and from the bottom we press and like this, Then we go to the second row. Now we go to the B piler. There's a big locking tab. Use a flat screwdriver, and pry it, and take it out, and then you will find this tab. Please note we are looking for a white cable with purple strip. Do not go to this side. Do not go to this side. We are going to this side, this cable, and then we pry this locking tab. Use the needle thing. We pry this locking tab, and we pull out our purple cable. And here is the piggyback harness from our kit. You need to press it into. Press it down, press hard, you will hear a clip, and then you press down this locking tab. That's very important. You need to press down, make it flat, and then we push this probe to its position, same position. Yeah, do not make a mistake, same position, and then you push to the deepest, and then lock tab. Press down locking tab. Then the next step is also very important. The cable tie. The cable tie will cable tie this thing. Hit this end and also the other side. Cable tie to prevent the cable moving inside here. And we use a snipper. Cutting, and then we connect this plug, push it out, and then we push it down until the lock, and then you will hear a clip. And also because our seatbelt, the driver seatbelt, the most frequently used seatbelt is this side. So prevent, we need to separate our cable to the seatbelt. So we need a cable tie here to this loom. Yeah, and also cable tie. Another cable tie. To this loom. You will see there's a two little metal thing here. We put our cable below this two metal thing. We go to the driver side to finish our installation. Run the two cable through here. Yeah, like this. Like this. And the same, you need a flat screwdriver. And then press here, and then take this out. This is our push button for this one. You just push it, and going up, go through here. We find this and this or this. They are both working. So you find this nearly white cable, like this side facing up. 1, 2, 3, 4. The last one, and this jaw connector. We use some piler to squeeze it. Now we press all the button back. When you push that button, you like this, and to make it a clip. Your clip is very important for our installation. Push everything back. Now we connect the power of our tailgate. Now we find our fuse. This is the fuse cover. We take this fuse cover out. We are looking for this one, this 15, this fuse. Now we use a flat screwdriver to take out this fuse, and we push our 15 fuse to like this, and then this tail should go to the engine side, should go that side, should be like this. You will hear a long beep from the tailgate, means the power is connected. You see, this is our fuse tab, and they go to the engine side. This tail go to the engine bay side. We use two cable tie. One here, to prevent this fuse tab, reduce the possibility to fall off. Now it's firm. The last step is not necessary, but if you want to put a neat installation, you can cut this fuse cover, and to push it back. You push back the fuse cover. It looks like this. The next step is I will show you how to install the dual LED light. It will take around like 10 or 20 minutes to install it. Okay, let's start. Okay, first we double check everything. This is the rubber pad for positioning, for making holes, and here's the screws. Here's the door handle switch. That's a 2LED light. That's for VX, and that's water housing. Okay, let's start. We took out this rubber pad, and if you see this blue clip, that's the center position with this hole, and we go into like this, and then we like this, and because you see there's when you turn, there's a little bit line very close there, maybe half meter away, and then you first of all use counterclockwise, and then drill the hole counterclockwise. Please do remember. And then you push. When you feel you break through the fabric, and then use clockwise drill and drill through, and do not move the line pad. Same to counterclockwise, and then you finish. We use this LED light, to go through that one, go through this hole. You pull it. And you take the screws and use this one. need a number 8 spanner, and go into here to screw this nut like this, and then it's not. Okay, but next step is very important. This is, you see, this is not parallel to this end, not this parallel to this, and you just use like this. It's perfect. Then use a drill. First of all, counterclockwise. When you feel breaks through the fabric, then clockwise and drill the through. Took it out. And then install the nut. Yeah, this blue thing. You see, there's a plug on this harness, and also we have this plug. You will see, you must put like this, and you will see blue go to the red, black to the black. Yeah, when you clip this one and press down the locking tab, and please do double check. It's blue to red, black to black. If you double confirm, then clip and push it back. Then we go to the tailgate panel. We took out this emergency cover. We have still use this locking tab to roughly position in the center. Then press it. Do not put your finger behind this hole, because then it will damage your finger. So just drill it, and then drill it. Then you need another bigger drill bit to enlarge this hole. Make it a little bit bigger. And then, because why to make it bigger? Because we need to run this plug. The same thing. We take a screw, and this thing. Take a washer, nuts. We use number 8 spanner. Yeah, the same thing, because like this, now it's too ugly, we just slowly, gently, to make it center, parallel each other. Then we hold. Do not put a finger behind this hole. Drill it. And then we put this in. washer, nut, tightened. Yeah, this is finished. For this light, we have amber and white for you to choose. The amber will less flies, less bugs. The white will give you more bright. Then with this one, the white clip here, and then we goes to here. See, this one, and one. This one. This the tailgate. One way is that use your hand like this. Press it. Press this side. Press this side. Another way, it's from outside. It's like this edge. Like this. You took it out and you press out this one, and yes, this is piggyback harness. Plug this in. Now our installation is finished. Now we are doing some tests. You see this light, individual switch, and this is the individual switch for the tailgate LED. This is for the doom LED. So we pass this one, we unplug this one, put it back. Test our tailgate. Just press the button, this door handle button. We open the button about radio plate. Open. We go to the front. Now we go to the front. There's a front button. We press. We close. Oh, good. And we press and hold to open. And here's our remote key. 3 times unlock. 1, 2, 3. We close. And 3 times and open. Yeah. That's the same to the unlock key. 1, 2, 3. We close. One, 2, 3 to open. Now we finish our test. We put all the panels back. Now our installation is finished. See, that's your key. You press 3 times unlock to open and to close. And the same key, same unlock. See the LED light automatic off. The light will automatic on. There's the individual switch. Can you open and close the individual switch? Yeah. Yes. And there's a switch here. Yeah. There's a switch here. You can turn. You can close the tailgate. It's very fast. This tailgate. And you can open as before. And here in the front, you see here, You see here, the front button. See, you just press the button to close, but you need to press and hold the button to make it open. Press and hold. Yeah. And here you see this unlock key, this unlock key, this unlock key. 1, 2, 3. Same to the remote button. And you see here, 1, 2, 3. Open. That's all. Do you like it?
That's great. Very good. Thank you.